Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of k where k cube plus k square minus 2k is equal to 8. Okay, or we can write here k cube plus k square minus 2k. Now taking this 8 to left side, we will get negative 8 is equal to 0. Or now rearranging left side, we can write here k cube minus 8 plus k square minus 2k is equal to 0. Or now we can write here k cube minus 8 can be written as 2 cube plus k square minus 2k is equal to 0. Or now here we can use an algebraic formula. So we can write here k minus 2 times k square plus 2 times k is 2k plus 2 square, that means 4, plus now taking count k to this two term, we will get k times k minus 2 is equal to 0. Or now taking count k minus 2, we will get here k square plus 2k plus 4, and here we will get plus k is equal to 0. Or k minus 2 times k square plus 2k plus k is 3k plus 4 is equal to 0. Now from here we have two solutions, so we can write here k minus 2 is equal to 0 and k square plus 3k plus 4 is equal to 0. Or k, now taking this negative 2 to right side, we will get k is equal to 2. So the first value of k is equal to 2, and this is a real solution. Now from here we can use quadratic formula, so we can write here k is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4. Or k is equal to minus b is equal to 3, so we can write here 3 plus or minus square root of b square, that means we can write here 3 square minus 4 times a that means 1, times c is 4 over 2 times a, that means 2 times 1. Or k is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square, that means 9, minus 4 times 1 times 4 is 16 over 2 times 1 is 2 is equal to, or k is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 16 is negative 7 over 2. Or k is equal to minus 3 plus or minus, now we can write here square root of 7 times negative 1 over 2. Or k is equal to minus 3 plus or minus, now we can write here square root of 7 times square root of negative 1 over 2. Or k is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 7, we know square root of negative 1 is I over 2, and this value are imaginary value because this I is imaginary, I is an imaginary, so this is a complex solutions. K is equal to minus 3 plus square root of 7i over 2, and k is equal to minus 3 minus square root of 7i over 2. So there are totally 3 values of k. Now check, here k is equal to 2, our equation is k cube plus k square minus 2k is equal to 8. K cube plus k square minus 2k is equal to 8. Here k is equal to 2, so we can write here 2 cube plus 2 square minus 2 times 2 is it equal to 8. or 2 cube, that means 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, plus 2 square is 4, minus 2 times 2 is 4, is it equal to 8, or 8 plus 4 is 12, minus 4, is it equal to 8. So 12 minus 4 is 8, 8 is equal to 8, so we can write here left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is the 3 values of k. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.